These are the Akill RC Racing Super Spikes. Check that out, guys. Got the PnwRcMadness 17mm lugs. This is the battery, or the batteries we're going to be using. These are the 9200 HV. These are the high voltage 4.35 volts SMC. Little light, but yeah, let's go push him out and see what we can do. The body has been wrapped by me, and yeah, it's been crashed and it's been through a few wrecks. Been repainted a couple times, and yep, we have a wing on here. This is from a Losi 8. Before we run the truck, guys, let me show you guys what it's loaded up with. Well, let's start off with the PnwRcMadness front and rear diff housing covers. These are 70/75. Oh, Cal RC, baby. Yeah, we're going to be pushing it with this Castle Creation 1700 kV mounted up to a PnwRcMadness motor mount. Guys, you can find all these parts on my website. Well, not these. Talking, guys, we got the Castle Creations XLX2, and we have a, I can't remember what kind of cat pack this is, a couple of fans, belt drive. I believe it's overdrive right now, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead, make sure we're all dialed in, and let's go. Well, I got the servo turned way down. All right, we're not gonna use up any more power. Let's do this, guys. All or nothing. Here we go. Got to be careful because it's super bumpy out here. Woo! Uh-oh. That's not good. All right, we got to fix that. Oh, guys, it's way too bumpy for this. Still fun. Oh, I don't want to crash it, guys. Oh man, this is not a good spot for it. was a pretty good pull. Let's see what we got. Maybe 60? Let's see. 54.3. Not too bad.